The theme for this year is control strategy. So that's something we do as a pharmaceutical scientist. That's something we do every day. I'm Asha Rajapaksha. I'm an associate principal scientist at Merck, West Point, Pennsylvania. Regardless of the topic, whether you are dealing with raw materials, drug substances or drug products, you have to have a control strategy in order to have a commercial product.
This year conference is really interesting, and it's how to set the control strategies about drug products when we are developing a formulation to get into the market. And it covers the early phase, what are the challenges when we pick the control strategies, and how that evolves as we go from monotherapies to combination projects. And it could be very simple and it could get very complicated.
Our theme this year was analytical considerations for a comprehensive control strategy. And we kicked it off by talking about how does a control strategy evolve. So we started very high level with defining how a control strategy is more than just the final specifications. These days, people are building quality into their process from the very beginning. So we set the stage by explaining control strategies, introducing people to different control strategies, and then giving them obvious things to think about when they're developing their control strategy.
When attendee is attending the whole session, they will get the whole spectrum about how it goes in the early phase and how it carried through the whole development process. In any area the scientist is working, they will get some perspective of the whole spectrum, so they will understand from A to Z when it starts and how it goes and evolves to the end of the filing. So it's a very good advantage of getting the whole understanding about the control strategy in the overall drug development process.